Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited that in this video we are going to dive into the long awaited feature of Java, which is Java 23 that you can see in the screen, right? Before we dive into our topic, let me tell you something important points from the Java 23. So this the features that we are going to get in Java 23, I can say that is a one of the you can see huge leap for the developers, and also it is Java 23 right now. Remember that it is just a okay. I can say that this Java 23 is you can say it is right now in release candidate. So what that does mean? That means the features that we can see there in the 23 that is expected to come, but not yet finalized, right? And also it is going to help us writing code in very you can see easier way of writing the programmings. Okay, also one of the thing I can say that this Java 23 is going to must have features and must have enhancement for the projects which is using Java, or the people who is going to be as a Java developer. They should have also focus on Java 23, right? Because coming days we are going to work with this feature only. So, if you are a Java enthusiast or Java curious about what's new, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Right? In this video, I'm going to discuss couple of things that you can see here from this image. What's new in Java 23 and how to install Java 23. After that, we will see how to configure your IntelliJ for using the Java 23, and also you will see that we'll be writing our first program by using Java 23, right? So these are the topics that I'm going to discuss here in this video. So now let's talk about some of the key features that we are going to get from Java 23. So here you can see I have listed down all the key features that you can see the point number one, right? So let me take the pen. Okay. So here you can see the key features that we are going to discuss. One of the point, the very first one is the pattern matching enhancement. This is, I can say that this is one of the very, you can say much awaited and much expected, you can see one of the feature that we are going to get into Java 23, and this is something which is helping us to write a code more readable and reducing boilerplate of the developers, right? So this feature is going to help us on write your code on more readable, right? More readable, and you can see this is reducing the boilerplate, right? And reduce boilerplate, right? And after that, you can see the next one, which is virtual threads, right? What is virtual thread? Virtual thread in Project Loom are designed to simplify the creation of high performance scalable applications. Okay, we'll see uh, how it works and how to write code by using the virtual threads. We'll see in our upcoming videos. Next point is record patterns. This is in preview mode, guys. Okay, this is one of the very coolest addition in recent version of Java 23. Okay, and we'll continue with this record pattern also to see how it looks and how it is working, right? And how can do best utilization of record patterns. After that, the next feature, very important feature of Java, which is new garbage collection, right? Garbage collection, guys, you already know that what it does. It actually do help us in our programming to so that the performance of the your program run properly, right? It helps us on your memory management also, so that your memory should not get over, right? So in that case, so there are some new changes. Java 23 is taking Java 23 bringing for us so that your memory management, your performance, everything works fine, right? After that, performance booster, performance booster. So this is one of the very important, you can say, feature Java 23 is going to provide us. So these all the things with this all these key features or performance booster, garbage collection, record patterns, and the very important topic is thing is pattern matching. This is one of the very important thing that we are going to have in this Java 23. One of the more one of the another very important topic that is Java 23 make unique from the other Java, that is I can say implicitly declared classes. This is something we are going to see in this particular video. Implicitly declared classes. So what is this and how to use this, that is something we are going to see in this particular video, right? So right now let's see how to install the Java 23 or what is the things that we can do and how to configure it into your IntelliJ project, right? So let's go to Google Chrome, and there what you need to do, I'll open the Google Chrome. Okay, so let's download Java 23. I'll say Java 23 download, right? So you go to the first link, and here if you scroll down little bit, you can see we have all these options: Java 23, 21, 2017. So right now we are interested for Java 23. So you can be there in this particular tab. Here you can see we are having the options for which OS you are going to platform you are going to download. So for me it is right now Windows, so I'll select Windows. And here you have option, either you download the zip file or um, you download the installable file, right? So I'll recommend you can go at any of the options, whatever you choose. So if you click on download, it will start download and you can install the software into your local, right? So for me it is already installed. I'll show you the directory. If you go to C, and inside of these program files you can see Java, you can see 23 is installed in my system right now, right? So once you have done with this, and you need to install the uh, IntelliJ also for you, and for my system IntelliJ is already installed. So if you guys are completely new, I'll show you. So IntelliJ, you can see IntelliJ download, and if you go to the official website, you need to little bit come to the you can say scroll up of this page, because the initial version ultimate one don't download, because it is saying it is a paid version, guys. Here you can see it is saying free 30 days trial only, after that it will not work for you. So you have to come little bit down. Here you can see we have community edition. You can download this for into your into your system, right? So for me it is already downloaded and installed in my system. So I will just open the IntelliJ. I'll say IntelliJ. So this is opening in my system. Once it is opening, if you can create a new project. Let me create a new project. I'll say new project, and let you give a name. I'll say Java 23 demo. Right. This is the name I am going to provide. And here you can see you can configure Java 23. If it is not showing you for your case Java 23, by default you can click on this particular drop down, and you can select, you can pick any of the Java version, right? For now we are going to we're trying to go ahead with the Java 23 version, right? If none of this, if Java 23 you are not able to see, what you can do, you can go to add JDK from disk. So it will take you to the your system C drive, and if here you can do, you can see we are getting the option from program files. You can see we have Java. Explore it, you will get the option for 23. You select it, select OK. It will be get added, and after that you can select that particular Java 23 version, right? So, and from the architect type, we'll take the quick start one. So if you type U, and it will, you will get the quick start one, that architect, right? I'll take this one, and after that you come to the below. Here you can see one of the option, get advanced setting. If you want, you can change the setting. If you do not want, you can leave it as it is. So initially, for your case, it might be a org dot, you can say, example, but you can change it to whatever name you want to go ahead. I'll just go ahead with my name. So after that, I'll say create. So one project is getting created. Okay, it will initially it will take couple of minutes. Okay, here you can see the project is getting built, it is getting ready. So once it is got ready, so you can start working with your project. Let's just do it, wait for a couple of seconds, so it will be all done. Now you can see it is completed, right? So once it is completed, I what we got one form.xml file that is all right now in front of your screen, right? So let me close it. I'll show you. First of all, I need to configure Java 23 for into your IntelliJ, right? How to configure? If you go to this file option, here you can see settings. Go to the settings and come to this particular build version. Explore the build version. You will see that compiler and come to Java compiler. Into this Java compiler, here you can see we have option Java bytecode version, right? Select it 23 and also the project, right? Target bytecode version is selected 23, right? And say apply. Okay, after that, once again you have to come to this file option and come to the project structure, and from this project structure you can see, or you can see that STK is 23 already selected. If it is not selected, then you have to go to the edit option and you have to add your 23, right? For me, it is already added, so I do not have to do anything. And after that, language level also you have to select as a 23. LTS version, it is not showing me the 23 version, but if you scroll down to below, you can see we are getting 23 two version of 23. One is preview version, another is markdown version, right? So you can go ahead with the preview version. So let me take the preview and I'll say apply and okay, right? So once you done these settings, you're all done with the you can see configuration of Java 23 into your IntelliJ. And now let me go to the SRC directory. Here in the SRC, instead of SRC, you can see there are two folders, main folder and test folder. Main folder is basically for your core programming, and test folder is basically for your test related classes. Okay. So now what we can do, we can this is the class that IntelliJ is already providing us by default, so we are not going to use. So let me delete these classes. I'll delete the this one also. Okay. So I have deleted their by default class. What I'll do, I'll create a package inside of this. So I'll say package. I'll say practice. Okay. And here also I'll create a package similarly. Let's say practice. Done. Now, what you can do, you can write your first program. Let's say I'm writing hello world program, right? So you will create a Java class and I'll say hello, right? So this is my class is got created now, and here simply you can write a main method and you can add a system out print and you will see hello world, hello world, right? If you say hello world, so this is how you write the traditional way write the programs, right? But here I'm going to see something different. For now, let me run it. You can see everything is working fine, right? We have executed our test cases and the test case got we've written our test case and it is got executed. Everything is working fine. But where is something new that we are expected to see from Java 23 feature, right? So that something is like what we said, implicitly declared classes, right? What is that? that is something we're going to see. Let's see, this is the class that we have already written, right? What I'll do, I'll comment it out everything, right? And what I'll say, instead of writing this complete class, right? What I'll say, let me comment it out completely. I'll do commit, and we are going to write a class file with the indentation of implicitly declared class, right? So now let's try to see what is the event. So here Java is saying that instead of you write all these things public class hello, public static void main, right? Instead of this you just say void main, okay? And you write your print statement. Say print hello world, right? You do not have to write public static void main or public class hello system.out.print. Those things you do not need. But here is a problem we are facing right now. You can see it is showing me some error. So let me fix this error. What is this showing? Right. If you keep your mouse over this main method, you can see it is saying implicitly declared classes are not supported at language level 8. Right. So that what is meant, right? It means that the project you are using, which is by default, you can see at the language level of 8. So we have to change the language level to 23. How to change it? It is already giving us one predefined. You can see the next option. It is saying set language level to 23, right? So it is already providing us that option. So let's click on it. Once you click on this, you can see now it is all the errors are gone, right? And what happened actually, it is going to add a it is actually updated your form.xml file. If you go to this form.xml file, you can see you can see here one plugin, build plugin got added here by IntelliJ, and this is a Maven compiler plugin we need actually. In this Maven compiler plugin, we are setting the source and target. So this is something which is actually, you can say, Java compiler version. What is the build version, right? What is the Java language version we are going to use in this particular project? This indicating that only. Right now, if you are not indicating anything, right now it is by default picking as a 8, right? So this build plugin we needed, guys. If you are not having this right now, it is not going to work for you. So if you have to add this particular build plugin, once you add the Java compiler build plugin version, that is 23. Now you are ready to go ahead with this program. Now let me run this program. Wow, we got this output, right? The same output. Now see the trick, guys. With this void main and print, right? We are able to get the print. We are able to execute our programs in Java, right? So can you imagine, guys? Earlier we must have to use this particular public static, right? So those thing is not needed now, right? This public static class hello and public static void main and all these strings and arguments, right? These are the things which was actually I can say headache for the beginners, right? And the guys who are not very comfortable in Java, those things are making them very headache, right? Instead of that, Java 23 providing us this feature to write this way. Isn't it so cool, guys? I'm very excited with Java 23 features, right? And in upcoming days, we are going to see more and more, and you can see more features, more you can see easy way to write the programs, right? Let me know the in the comment section that how do you feel about this release of Java, right? And what you are thinking, and let me know in this comment section. I'll wrap up this video here at this point, guys, and I wanted to say thanks for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing, guys. Take care and bye.